Hey y'all, it's Desiree with WTI, and I'm super excited to show you this bag from Montana West. I was looking for the perfect accessory to be able to add to my Western outfit for the rodeo, and guess what? Nothing better than a purse to be that accessory. Check it out. This small crossover bag was the perfect accessory to my outfit for the rodeo. I love that I could fit my wallet in there. I was able to put my phone in there. And of course, as it's a crossbody, it's easy to go, especially when you have young children. It also is this pretty quilted material, and you can see the pockets inside. There's even that little pocket to add the phone right in there. So if you're looking for the perfect bag, either to add to maybe a Western outfit or even to any other outfit, this is definitely a go-to bag, and the quality of it as well is amazing. I also love that it has that adjustable strap, which is great for someone who is a little bit more petite. And that's my point of view.